In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates in Trello. Whether you're organizing a project or simply keeping track of to-dos, setting due dates is essential for staying on schedule and managing your tasks efficiently. Let's dive right in to see how you can do this seamlessly on Trello. First, start by navigating to Trello's website. After the page loads, locate and click on the Login button to access your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your login method. Opt for the Google Login option if that's how you've set up your Trello account, making the sign-in process quick and simple. Once you select Google, you'll be directed to a new page where you can pick the Google account associated with your Trello. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on the main Trello dashboard. Now it's time to open the board where you'd like to manage tasks. Simply click on your desired board from the list that appears. You'll see various lists and cards representing different tasks within the board. Locate a specific task card to which you want to add a due date. Clicking on this card will expand it, showing you more detailed options and fields specific to that task. Among these options, you should find a section labeled Dates. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll see a calendar interface pop up where you can select the due date for your task. Click on your chosen date from the calendar. It prompts your task with a specific deadline, making it much easier to manage. Additionally, Trello allows you to add a specific time to your due date if you want to include an exact deadline. Setting the time is particularly useful for tasks that are time-sensitive and require precise scheduling. If your task repeats regularly, Trello offers a handy feature to set recurring due dates. By configuring these settings, you can ensure that the task replicates itself according to a pattern you define, saving you the hassle of resetting it manually each time. Moreover, you can also set a due date reminder, ensuring you're automatically notified within a time frame you choose before the task is due. This extra nudge can be crucial in preventing last-minute rushings or forgotten tasks. Once you've set all necessary details to your satisfaction, finish up by clicking Save. This will confirm your selections and apply the due date settings to your task card. And there you have it. Adding due dates in Trello is a straightforward yet powerful way to keep your tasks on track and organized. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering task management within Trello. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.